Welcome to this tutorial on Ktor features, focusing on plugins and middleware. In this video, we'll explore how to master essential Ktor features, including serialization, authentication, and much more. Plugins are the building blocks that make Ktor applications powerful and flexible, allowing you to add functionality in a modular way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to leverage these features to build robust backend applications with Kotlin and Ktor. Plugins in Ktor are reusable components that add specific functionality to your applications. They follow a modular architecture, which means you can pick and choose exactly what features your application needs. Plugins are easy to configure, allowing you to customize their behavior to suit your requirements. They work by intercepting requests and responses as they flow through your application, giving you the ability to modify or enhance them. Ktor provides many built-in plugins for common tasks, and you can also create your own custom plugins for specialized needs. Installing a plugin in Ktor is straightforward. Inside your application's module function, you use the install function and pass the name of the plugin you want to add. After calling install, you provide a configuration block where you can customize how the plugin behaves. This configuration block is optional for some plugins, but allows you to fine-tune settings when needed. The install function is the standard way to add any plugin to your Ktor application, whether it's a built-in plugin or a custom one you've created. Content negotiation is one of the most important plugins in Ktor. It handles the automatic conversion between Kotlin objects and data formats like JSON. When you install the Content Negotiation plugin, you specify which serialization format to use. In this example, we're using JSON serialization with Kotlinks.serialization. You can configure options like Pretty Print, which formats the JSON output in a readable way, and is lenient, which allows more flexible parsing of JSON data. This plugin eliminates the need to manually parse JSON strings, making your code cleaner and more maintainable. To use serialization in your routes, you need to mark your data classes with the serializable annotation. This tells Ktor that the class can be automatically converted to and from JSON. In your route handlers, you can use the receive function to automatically parse incoming JSON into your data class. Similarly, the respond function automatically converts your Kotlin objects into JSON when sending responses. This seamless conversion between Kotlin objects and JSON happens behind the scenes, allowing you to work with strongly typed data throughout your application. The Authentication Plugin in Ktor supports multiple authentication strategies to secure your application. Basic authentication validates users with a username and password combination. JSON Web Tokens, or JWT, provide token-based authentication that's stateless and scalable. OAuth allows integration with third-party authentication providers like Google or GitHub. Session-based authentication uses cookies to maintain user sessions across requests. Each of these strategies has its own use cases, and you can even use multiple authentication strategies in the same application to support different types of clients or security requirements. Let's look at how to configure JWT Authentication in detail. When you install the Authentication plugin, you call the JWT function and provide a name for this authentication provider. You specify a realm, which is a label for the authentication space. The verifier function validates that the JWT token is properly signed using your secret key. The validate function contains your custom logic to check the token's claims and return a JWT principal if the token is valid, or null if authentication fails. This principal object contains information about the authenticated user that you can access in your protected routes. Beyond serialization and authentication, Ktor offers several other essential plugins. The CORS plugin configures cross-origin resource sharing, which is necessary when your front-end and backend are hosted on different domains. CallLogging automatically logs information about incoming requests and outgoing responses, helping you debug and monitor your application. The caching plugin adds appropriate cache control headers to responses, improving performance for clients. Compression enables gzip or deflate compression of response bodies, reducing bandwidth usage and improving load times. These plugins work together to create production-ready applications. When built-in plugins don't meet your needs, you can create custom plugins. Use the Create Application Plugin function and provide a name for your plugin. Inside the plugin, you have access to different lifecycle hooks. The on-call handler executes before the request is processed, allowing you to add custom logic like request validation or logging. The on-call respond handler executes before the response is sent, giving you a chance to modify response headers or transform the response body. Custom plugins follow the same installation pattern as built-in plugins, making them easy to integrate and reuse across multiple applications. Let's recap what we've learned. Plugins are modular components that extend Ktor functionality, allowing you to build feature-rich applications without reinventing the wheel. Content negotiation handles automatic serialization and deserialization, making it easy to work with JSON and other data formats. The Authentication Plugin supports multiple strategies including JWT and OAuth, giving you flexibility in how you secure your application. Finally, you can create custom plugins to implement reusable middleware logic specific to your application's needs. With these tools, you're well equipped to build powerful, maintainable backend services with Ktor.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.